this case, is the formula M is equal to K into of L1 L2. Basically M1 2 of L1 L2, right? The value and from that K, right? Because M12 is also given. M12 is 100. Similarly, we'll get M2 equal to K2 of L M2 that is 2 and 3, that is again 1 Henry. L2 and L3 is also given in calculate. So M3 1 in L3. K3 1 is right. Now in the final we need to calculate L equivalent. L equivalent L1 L2 plus L. Now as you can see that we have to that it is in the aiding connection. If I'll see 1 and 2, current is leaving, right? Here the current is leaving, and in L2 also, L3 also current is leaving. That would be plus 2 of 1, right? Now if I'll see L1 and L2, the current is here, the current is entering. So that would be minus M1, right? Now if I'll see the 2 and the 3, then here the current is entering, but and here is also the current entering, right? So in this case, plus of M. Now we know all the values L1 and M1 to M. We can substitute it, then we'll get the answer.